Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here we're going to show you Bundler Product Bundles Shopify app tutorial. So if you're interested, let's get started. So we all know that adding bundles into your Shopify store here is going to be something really helpful, especially if you want to attract more customers for specific deals. So in this case, how do you start using the Bundler Product Bundles app here? Well, in this case, first things first, you want to go to Shopify.com and just log in into your account. And let's go and access the Shopify App Store. Now, at the bottom left here, let's go and click on Settings. And you want to go to Apps and Sales Channel at the left side here. And just click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now, from here, it should open up Shopify App Store here. And let's go and just search for Bundler here. Let's go and press Enter. There are going to be some products that may appear here, but let's go and choose Bundler, Product Bundles. In this case, let's go ahead and install this. Well, by the way, a great thing about Bundler here is you could actually use this for free. So you get like unlimited bundles here, volume discounts, and a lot more. But if you want to get more features out of the app itself, you may want to start using premiums and executive here. So for example, if you want to add like tiered mix and match, section mix and match, volume discount combinations, and a lot more. But the great thing about this one is you can try this for 7 days for free, just in case, like if you want to try their services. But yeah, let's go and click on install here. And let's just wait for this to load up. But it's just going to ask us if you want to really install this. So if it does ask that, just click on install. And in here, we should have this already installed. So what we need to do here is we want to set this up. Now, by the way, they have a video themselves that they offer here, just in case you want to know how to exactly or view more how to use their app. But in this case, let's go and choose our tier of plan here. Let's go and choose a free one. Let's go and click on select. And from here, we should be able to start creating your bundle. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to view a few things. So first is going to be our landing page here, or our default page, which in this case gives you information about your, like for example, your current bundles, your popular bundles, your bundle discount applied here, and a lot more. So just basically just information and content that you may want to view. Now at the left side, we also have like bundles. If you click on bundles, this is where you'll be able to see your bundles that you've created. You also have like support content here just in case you want to learn more about the app itself. Now you also have settings, which in this case allows you to change a few things, like the bundle widget here, which in this case you can change a few things, like if you want to show like the bundles on the product page or show multiple bundles on a product page. So in this case, this won't affect your volume discount here if you want to enable that. They also have mix and match bundle widget here, but these are locked behind the premium plans here. So if you want to use those or edit those, you need to upgrade your plan. But then again, there are still settings that you can change here, like the colors itself, like your bundle widget color. If you want to change that, you can go and click on preview widget here if you want to view it. So let's just wait for this view. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So if you want to change the color, you can go and just click on it, and maybe I want to make this a lot darker. So this is an example. No. Let's make it in a different color. Maybe you wanna make it like blue here. Choose this one. Select that. And if you click on preview widget, it should update the color itself. So this is great. Like for example, if you want to customize the look or the overall look of your bundle and your page, and so that it adapts to your design itself. You also have your funnel settings here. If you want to change the pop-up background, the icon color here. You also have the after customer ads bundle to the cart if you want to show checkout button. And yeah, so if you want to change that. You also have the subscription here. So if you want to see the subscription app integration, if you want to allow that. Also have display discounts in cart if you want to display the discounts, but obviously these are hidden between the premium plan here. Also have bundles, a listing page, a bundle landing page here, and a lot more. So yeah, so if you want to basically use those, you can go ahead and change them. But let's go and start adding or changing a few things. By the way, let's go and click on save since we changed this. But yeah, so I also have like funnels here, just in case like if you want to view the panel funnel itself. So by the way, this is for premium users or for premium plan holders. We also have analytics here, which in this case gives you idea on how your shop or your store is performing. We also have the Shopify POS if you want to view it. So in this case, if you want to view the support center here, just in case you're having problems accessing or doing a few or using some of the features here they have. But let's go and click on bundles here, and let's go and click on the first bundle. Now from here we have two options, so we could use, like we have classic bundle and volume discount here. Let's go and choose classic bundle, and let's go and just fill out some details. So first is the bundle name here, so you can change this. You also have the title itself, so if you want to make it something catchy. Also have description, which is something also really important if you want to make it catchy. Also have the widget fields here, like if you want to change a few things like for original price and discounted price here, if you want to compare that. Also have the call to action button, so this is the button that you'll be seeing. Also have the text under call action button, so this is the discount will apply at checkout, so if you want to add that to the call to action button. And also your bundle settings here, so you can basically change your priority sequence. So in this case, bundler applies discounts based on the priority sequence here. So bundles, most product should have the highest priority, so first in line. Also have the bundle status, so if you want to make sure to make this active, and bundle show widget for this bundle, you can go and choose show. And also you have your applied on description. If you want a number of renewals, you can go and choose unlimited. Also have your colors here if you want to change the colors. You also have your discounts here, like 10% discount. If you want to also provide like free shipping, you can enable this, but this is behind, or this case premium users can only enable this one. Also have discounted products in bundles. So if you want to select the products or add the products here. So maybe I want to add like, for example, I want to add this product here. Let's go add this product here. By the way, you could also choose which variant you want to include for this one. Like for example, you want to add this for only white products, so you go and choose that. So you can click on add. And from here, as you can see, we've just added our products. You also have like the discount conditions, so advanced, buy all products in a bundle, classic bundle. You also have buy required on discounted products if you want to use that instead. And yeah, so they also have the option to change or edit the actual landing page here just in case. But let's go ahead and go back into our, let's go and discard this. Go back to bundles. But yeah, let's go and click on Save Bundle at the top section here. So sure our changes are actually added. So you see, perform a quick check to see if the bundles work in your shop. So you've successfully created a bundle here. So in this case, you can go and click on Go to Product page. Let's do product itself. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to search that the bundles are available. As you can see, our bundles has now been loaded. And this is the sign. As you can see, we changed the color itself on the add to cart button. So you could do that via settings. But yeah, so once you've done that, you can go and click on yes, I can see the bundle widget. In this case, you go and click on yes, everything is fine, thanks. Now, if you're having problems, make sure to notify that in here as well. Just go and click on no, maybe later. But yeah, so you can just basically enjoy this. So if, like, for example, I'm just going to give you some idea. I've chosen this product and this product for the bundle. So if you access other products here, the bundles shouldn't appear in here. So as you can see, it doesn't appear. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelena. Thank you for watching.